Hey viewers, I've got 5 key focus points for developing a good Muay Thai Roundhouse Kick. Point number 1, make sure you're kicking with the front and the lower end of your shin, and depending on where you're targeting on your opponent, you're going to need to angle your leg differently. Point 2, you release the arm, the same side arm that you are kicking. So if you're kicking with your right leg, the right arm will swing back, and vice versa. If you're kicking left, the left arm swings back. The balanced leg, okay, so if I'm kicking right, the left leg, that foot must pivot, and you want to turn the heel towards your target, okay, so an example, kick. 4th point, you want your legs straight, okay, so a lot of karate and taekwondo kicks have a flick, and a lot of people seem to be familiar with that. Muay Thai is very much a straight leg, okay, so as you kick, keep it straight on the way up and on the way back. And finally, your 5th point, have emphasis or focus on your hip movement. Generally, what you're aiming for is you want your hips to be going forward, up, and around a full 180. And you want to combine that all at the same time. Now, those 5 points, they might come easily to you. Maybe 1 or 2 things might be difficult. If there's one thing that you're finding the most difficult, focus on that, and then you can work at putting it all together to eventually have quite a decent, if not better, roundhouse kick. Alright, hope that helps, and I'll see you around, guys.